We begin this morning, Colorado and Company, with a very simple and very effective way to tackle a financial task: lowering your home mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. You can have a lower rate on your mortgage once you apply in just 3 weeks. All it takes is a free phone call. Now, here with your mortgage solution is Brent Ivinson. Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
So let's talk about mortgage rates. Are they good? Where's the current standing right now?
They are. You know, there's been a lot of volatility with the raising of the debt ceiling, everything else that's going on politically right now. We saw rates move up and down last week, ultimately settled in at 4.375% this morning on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. So great news. I mean, this is within 0.3% of the historic 50-year low that we set late last summer and early last fall. So you're looking at half of homeowners can save money.
3.75%.
4.375%.
Oh, okay.
So low fours, almost 4.
Look at me. I was trying to even lower it. I'm like,
That'd
what?
be great.
Let's do that again.
Right.
So with that low of a rate, who should be taking advantage of it? Half the homes,
Well,
you said?
yeah, half of homeowners who have a mortgage currently right now could save a significant amount of money just by making a phone call and taking advantage of rates. And you're not talking about $50. You're looking at $150 to $250, even $300 a month. And that's a significant chunk of money for a lot of households. And it's money that by staying in your current mortgage, you're just wasting rather than putting it in your own pocket and putting it back to better use.
Not just refinancing. Now's also a great time to buy.
It is. It's a phenomenal time to buy. When you look at the fact that rates are as low as they are, when you borrow money at rates like this, you're getting a lot more house for a lot lower payment. The other thing to consider is there's a lot of inventory out there. As you look around, there are so many options to buy. Yeah. And when we saw the correction in 2007 and 2008, we've still yet to see home values come back from that correction. So people who were out looking around 3, 4, 5 years ago for a house are shocked at how much home they can buy right now with how small the payment is as well.
And you also suggest, most people think, okay, I'm going to get a 30-year fix, but you suggest they should look into 15 to 20-year loans.
Well, you should. If you're somebody who's going to be in your home long term and you're going to stay there, the name of the game whenever you borrow money is pay it off as quickly as possible, because you not only are going to have it done sooner, but you're also lowering the effective interest rate that you pay as a consumer. A 15 and a 20-year loan right now is a fantastic option, whether you're buying or refinancing. And what we have a number of people finding is they can get out of their current 30-year mortgage, they can get into a 15 or a 20, and they can do so without increasing their monthly payments. So what you're going to do, keep paying what you're paying now, but you're going to shave anywhere from 15 to 7, 8, 9 years off the term of your mortgage, which adds up to well over 6 figures in payments and interest. If you're buying on the same side, people are finding they can buy that new home because of how competitive interest rates are and put it on a 15 or a 20-year mortgage, and it's still within a payment they can handle every month.
Last week you brought 2 of your clients on. I really loved what they had to say about you and the customer service and why they chose you. Let's take a listen.
Oh yeah, with our debt consolidation, we're saving probably a little bit over $500 a month. Wow. So we're very happy about that. We were driving the paperwork, frankly.
Oh yeah.
And they kept that to an absolute minimum. It was a very enjoyable, easy experience.
Save the money, and they didn't have to worry about the paperwork.
Right.
Absolutely. Another great place to find out more. We were talking about that free phone call, but your website is very friendly.
Right. We have a great web platform behind us. And this is really what allows us to close loans as quickly as we can. We do a lot of communication with our clients via the internet, via the web. It's a secure site. But the thing that works so well is, you know, and I know, with having families, it's very difficult. You're always busy. There's always something going on. And it seems like you can't really get down to what you need to get done until 7, 8 o'clock at night when things quiet down at home. You can jump online. You can apply online with us. You can communicate with your loan officer online with us. You can get your paperwork, disclosures, your loan product online. You can send all of your supporting documentation back to us. Everything can be done via the internet. Now, if you're somebody who would prefer to come in and sit down face-to-face with us, because I know a lot of people think this is an intimidating process, we're happy to do that as well. We'd love to have you come into our office. We'll go over everything line by line to make absolutely certain that you're comfortable with every detail of your loan and you understand how we're arriving at the conclusion we are.
It just takes that free phone call, 303-867-7000. And you know what? I've been cooking spaghetti for the boys, which they just love my cooking, trust me. I had my laptop and logged onto your website, and it really is easy to multitask, get on there, very helpful tools.
Right. It's very simple. It's very easy to navigate and get around, and it's simple to understand. And again, it's a huge time saver. It's something that really helps people out. We can work on it 24 hours a day.
Tell me about the home scouting report.
Well, this is one of the most innovative tools I've seen in the 15 years I've been in mortgage lending. This is a great tool to buy a home. And this is something we offer all our clients who are looking to buy free of charge. We pick up the tab for this. Call, get pre-qualified with us, and we'll register you for the Home Buyer Scouting Report. It's an online tool that will allow you to shop for homes from the comfort of your own computer. Ties in perfectly with our web platform and our web technology. But this will allow you to go all the way down to a specific neighborhood. You can go to room counts, you can go to garage counts, square footage, bathrooms, zip codes, anything you want. And the great thing is this is a tool that we have that is not a sales tool that we're teamed up with a real estate company. You can go in and look. You're not going to get hassled with solicitation.
Good.
It's a tool you can use to shop for the perfect home. When you're ready to buy, you can circle back around with us, and we can get everything scheduled and get everything handled for you.
Another advantage of Ideal Home Loans, you're a mortgage banker versus a mortgage broker. Explain the difference.
Well, the big advantage is control. In being a mortgage banker, we're in control of everything. Underwriting's in-house, processing, funding, closing. We're lending our own money. That allows us to close in as little as 2 weeks. That's the big advantage that we have. The other thing is whenever you're dealing with somebody else, a mortgage broker, you're putting a middleman in that transaction between the consumer and ultimately the lender. The broker works as the intermediary. When you do that, you're looking at higher fees, you're looking at more expense, you're also looking at more time. With us, you're going direct. When we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, we're able to guarantee all those when we give that to you in writing up front because we're in control of all that. We know that's exactly what we're going to be able to deliver. So as a consumer, you're making an informed choice at the front of the process rather than at the back of the process.
What can you offer viewers who want to improve their own home? They don't want to buy a new home, but they want to maybe fix the basement, put new windows in.
We've got a great product available. The FHA 203K program will give you up to $35,000 worth of home improvement money to do just that. You need to remodel a kitchen, you need to finish your basement, new flooring, new windows, new countertops, whatever it may be. The only restriction with this product is that you cannot add square footage. You cannot use it to do an addition.
Okay.
But you certainly can finish your basement. It's one of the things as you're a consumer out there looking at your current situation. A lot of people are either upside down or very close to it. This will allow you to get in, access the cash, make the improvements, and you can stay in your home rather than fighting the expense of moving, bringing cash to closing if you're upside down.
Well, there are a lot of people who owe so much more on their home than what it's actually worth.
There are, and there's a lot of people out there. Don't let that deter you from calling us. We have products available. There's solutions for the consumer, and you can save money. I can't tell you how many clients we have that call our office, Denise, and say, I'm calling you. I don't think you can help me. I've talked to 2 other people. I'm upside down. We're able to get something that works for them, and with as low as rates are right now, savings are going to be significant. It's something you're going to put $200-300 back in your pocket. So if you're upside down, don't let that deter you. Even if you have a second mortgage, we'll work around that as well.
Oh, that's a grocery bill. That's wonderful. Thank you very much. It doesn't cost to call at all or go online to see about lowering your mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. The number is 303-867-7000 to set up your free mortgage consultation today. And really now is the time with historic mortgage lows to save on your monthly payment. Ideal Home Loans can have you save money in just 3 weeks. Remember, Ideal Home Loans, they offer lower rates, a quicker turnaround, time to put cash back into your wallet. The number again, 303-867-7000. The web address, idealhomeloans.com. And Ideal Home Loans paid for this segment.